Need to turn off NFC on your Android phone but not sure where to find the setting? In this guide, I'll walk you through two simple methods that work on most Android devices, so you can disable NFC quickly without changing any other phone settings. Method 1. Turn off NFC through settings. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in Settings, tap Connections. On some Android devices, this option may be called Connected Devices, Network and Internet, or something similar, depending on your phone's manufacturer. Next, look for NFC and contactless payments or simply NFC. Tap on it to open the NFC settings page. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toggle switch. If the switch is blue or green, NFC is currently enabled. Simply tap the switch once to turn it off. When the toggle turns gray, NFC has been successfully disabled. Method 2. Use the Quick Settings panel. For an even faster method, swipe down from the top of your screen using two fingers to fully expand the Quick Settings panel. Browse through the available shortcut tiles until you find the NFC icon. If you don't see it immediately, swipe left or right through the tiles or edit the Quick Settings panel to add it. Tap the NFC icon once. When the icon changes from its active color to gray or becomes inactive, NFC has been turned off. That's all for this tutorial. If this guide helped, consider liking the video, subscribing for more Android tips, and thanks for watching until the end.